Hi, welcome to Pink Squirrel Creations. It's Tammy here. I have a journal I want to flip through. I made this for a friend who has gone through a divorce in the middle of a pandemic. We currently are practicing social distancing, which is not ideal when you're going through a divorce. You need people around you. You need support, and that's not something she has right now. So this is a gift for her. It is a 44-page soft cover journal. This fabulous fabric was a pashmina I found at a yard sale. I put a book plate on and left it blank so she can name it whatever she wants. It's got a little lace trim, beautiful silk ribbon or satin ribbon, fabric on both sides. Let's open it up and look inside. Now, another thing about going through a divorce is sometimes you kind of rough on yourself and forget how wonderful you truly are. So this book has a lot of adjectives explaining what a truly great person this is and to help her remember. So here's our first page. We just have the note from the bookmaker telling what a junk journal is. This is actually an old wallpaper sample. Just a tag, a little bingo card. I've used a lot of pictures of golden retrievers because that's our favorite dog. And I bought a calendar to use for the images, and I think they're really cute. And I left the writing space below so she can just jot notes there. Here's a cute quote. She's very kind. A little story about Goldens. It's got a fun little applique on it. She's a very genuine person. Tenacious. Spunky. It's got some lace trim, and this is an old book I cut up to make a pocket for her. And I love this little dog with his boots and his umbrella for a rainy day. This reminds me of me and my husband at our cabin. Some fun tasting paper. This has some beautiful trim that I have. A sad looking dog. It's just an old graphic I had. She's a very social person. Very vibrant person. This is just a little pad of things to do. A little quote about friendship coming to an end. This beautiful pashmina here. Some more of this beautiful fiber I have all throughout the book. There's just a little folder. I didn't have a lot of time, so it's not heavily decorated, but it is filled with love. It says friendly. It's got a little quote. And then this opens up and says gifted, because she's very gifted. And another fun dog quote. And this is kind of a fun story. I don't know if you can see it all or not. And a little puppy giving kisses. She's very accomplished. She's a very humane individual. This is just a little scrappy pad with some handmade paper and some brown craft. This is actually wrapping paper, this pretty copper color here. Cute little dog bacon. Glassine bag for some crinkle. This is a file folder I had. I just cut up. This opens up so you've got more writing space here. A little washi tape. Cute little dog. Just some nice crinkly tracing paper. This picture's from the Graphics Fairy. There's some more of the pashmina. There's just a little... there's a tag in there made out of a time card. Some small buttons. She's a very fun person. And another little quote. Just another tag in a tag. There's a little scrappy pad. A little place to write here. This folds out. Some silly dog pictures. I just cut those out of a art magazine. And a little tiny tag there. This whole fold out is made out of one sheet of paper. Embellished, obviously, but still one sheet of paper. And here I just did some collage work. Got some very old dictionary. Some more of that wrapping paper. This is another beautiful fiber that I've used throughout the book. And the envelope opens up. And I just tucked in a piece of my lace coffee stained paper. Oh, there's a little charm with stones and a little heart that says made with love. A cute one about sharing. It says friend and share. She's a very sharing person. First time we went out to dinner together, she ate off my plate. It was just natural and fun, and she's just someone you feel like you've known your whole life. It's got so many cute little pictures of dogs sharing. I thought that was cute. A washi tape, another little picture with a journaling spot, some more crinkly paper, more fabric. That's a happy dog there, isn't it? Just put some pretty ribbon around this. And there's this cute little two puppies sharing a tennis ball. That opens up. A little pocket here with a dog bone, and she's very talented. And that just slips underneath the tennis ball to close back up. Some more of the pashmina, some more of that pretty fiber, an old postcard. Oops. I've got some more of the pashmina, and I've attached a little envelope with a dog bone paper clip. Open it up. It's got a little, just a little tag with some pretty fibers on it. This flips up for a private journaling spot. A little crossword puzzle. Blank journaling card made out of a time card. Coffee stained paper. This was a fun calendar, an old one. I just made it into an envelope. Put some paper in it. It's got a dog happy to see its mama. Here's a little... This is the lace coffee stain paper. This just opens like a matchbox or matchbook. Got paper in it. And here's the final one. It's held closed with another one of those dog bone paper clips. All the beautiful colors that Goldens come in. Opens up and there's a little journaling card in there. And that's the end of the journal. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope she loves it. And thank you for stopping by.